In this video today, we're going to talk about how to create an AI agent for lead generation. Before we jump into the demo, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this video. So a lot of you probably think creating AI agent is complicated, technical, you need a lot of stuff. No, stop, nothing, none of that. You can create an AI agent, put that in your email, put that in your bio, put that in your DM, on your website in literally less than a minute. That's how fast this tool allows you to create these AI agents. And they talk to your customers, your viewers, and engage with them and help you do generate leads. The tool we're going to use is called Surfn, and we'll do a full demo. By the way, I am an affiliate for this tool, and there's a special lifetime deal on it. We'll talk more about that towards the end, but the link is going to be below in the description if you want to check that out. So this is kind of insane because this agent, it educates your audience. Not just that, it also, you can create interactive lead magnets. So because every business wants to do lead generation, right? They want to do bookings, right? It can book meetings, it can book calls for you, and then you can also use it in your emails and newsletters. So again, like I said, literally less than a minute, you can create this AI agent for your business with this tool called Surfn. Let's log in, and I'm going to show you step by step. We'll take it step by step. Here are some agents that I have created, and we'll create an agent together. So once you log in, the interface looks really simple. Settings, member, billing, and everything. And like I said, you don't have to, there's a link below with a special lifetime deal, and I think you are gonna love it. No monthly payments. I don't like monthly payments at all. So to create a new agent, just click here, new agent. What you want to name your agent, it could be your name, your business name. Let's say I'm gonna do Auto Haven. So that is one of my businesses that I know. So we'll create an AI agent for them. So just hit continue. Oh, it's already taken because I already built it before this demo. So let's do because for the purpose of demo. Now, this is where you can add your website, your blog, to train the agent, because you want an agent to be trained on your data, your business, your product and services, right? So let me go to, actually that's the agent I've created. Auto Haven Irving, that's the business I want to create agent for. So I'm just going to copy their website, and then let's go back, and I'm going to add their website here, right? And then where do you want this agent to live? It could live in your bio link and on your website. So you can pick any here. By the way, you can change this later on too. And then hit continue. And what's really awesome now, it's crawling your website. It's reading everything about your business. So again, nothing, all I did was select the name and then added a link of my website. That's it, just 2 copy paste. And oh, wow, it's done. That was fast. That's faster than I thought. So again, you can add more. Next step, you can add more training data. So from one link that I gave it already extracted 129 links. You can add files, you can add FAQs, you can add YouTube links, you can add other text to train your AI agent. What I would recommend is add as much information. Maybe you have specific process documents, maybe you have FAQs, maybe you have YouTube videos, your coaching videos. Add everything, because the more data you give to your agent, the better. And then when you hit train and continue, basically your agent is going to get trained on this. And then the next step will be you can customize your agent. And since I have already created this agent, so let me just go there and grab it and show you what that looks like. So here's the Auto Haven agent that I have created. So once it processes all the links that you give, this is what you see. So 3 kind of like customization steps: define, design, and share. What's define? It's really simple. You can select your AI model, your name. I selected the business name. If you want to select your name, maybe you want to select Julie, Jason, whatever, you can select that. Description, add your logo to brand it. You can set the welcome messages, suggested message buttons that people see. Agent instructions, so any specific instructions you have for your agent, you can add them here. And here's the everything it kind of came up with from the links that I gave, but you can review this. Anything you want your agent to not do, not say, just put those in the instructions. About you, you can add more thing about your business. Now this is really, really cool. You can assign specific tasks to your agent. So for example, we want this agent to capture leads. So what I did, let's go back. What I've done is I said capture leads, and it basically opened up this interface for me. And I said, okay, this is kind of like the logic you can set up, but it's really simple. Whenever the user talks about a code, again, this business is about auto cars, used cars. So whenever someone talks about code or they want to see a car, or maybe they want to come to the store and visit, I want to capture the lead. So what I want to do is I want to capture their name, I want to capture their number, and that's it. And there are some more instructions here, and then you save it. And there's so many other. If your goal is to book a demo, you can configure that. If your goal is to show a tutorial, you can configure that. If your goal is to recommend certain products, you can configure that. So there are different options here. Other links, any images you want to add, I haven't configured any of that. It's all optional. You don't have to, but you can definitely do it. Now that was define. Next is design, and this is what you can go with the full branded look. This is what it's gonna look like. You can go with the light or minimal look, which I liked, so you can do that. You can pick color scheme, pretty straightforward. You can pick the font and everything. And then last step, you can publish. Let me publish the edits. Make it public. Now publish the edits again. And there we go. So after making it public and click on share, now I see different options. So if you want to embed this on your website, you can embed that on your website. Here's the code. Just if you know how to add the code on your website, you can do it. Here's the instruction. If you have work with a web dev, a developer, just send it to them. They'll know what to do. It's pretty straightforward. Now, let me go back to the dashboard, and I can just capture or just open this in another tab. And the link is pretty straightforward. It's going to say surfn.ai and whatever the name we pick. And look at this. Pretty straightforward. I can just talk to this. Hey, do you have any Honda Civic? Let's see. And now, since it's trained on that business, and that business is a used car dealership, and look at this. So here are some details. We do have one Honda Civic, and here is the detailed pricing and everything. That is pretty neat. I know it took a longer because I was explaining to you, but if you think about this, you picked the name, you added the link, and then you did some setup, added forms, design, and stuff like that. And after that, it was done, good to go. So very fast way, nothing technical to set up this agent. Again, the tool we use is called Surfn AI. There's a link below. You can grab, it is my affiliate link. You can grab the lifetime deal, no monthly payments. Forget that, I don't like that. So you can grab the monthly payment, the lifetime deal, and then set up your own AI agent in less than a minute. Any questions, let me know. Before you go, like and share so more people can see this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.